from the South Island. We're on our travels again.
Driving to Nelson Lakes for a stop off, and then we'll end up at the Pancake Rocks in Punakaiki, somewhere.
Is that on the way to where we're staying?
Pancake Rocks. Pancake Rocks is where we're staying.
Ah.
So we're stopping at Nelson Lakes, and then we're going to our tree house. Turn right.
Nelson Lakes
National Park.
Wow.
Okay, left.
Yeah.
That is quite a lake, isn't it?
Incredible. Look at that. That is incredible. So glad we came here. That stretches for miles. Wow. Somebody wants me to get out of the way. Hang on. Westport's 154 kilometres. And I'm narrating, I'm filming, and Elaine's driving. Wow. Vast expanse of New Zealand countryside. Amazing. This is typical of some of the roads where there's no one behind us, no one in front. It's nice driving, isn't it, in New Zealand?
Very easy. Well, I'm doing it, so it must be easy.
We love your roads, people of New Zealand. Straight line.
Where am I going? That way?
Yeah, I think so. Well, we've just arrived in Punakaiki, and this is where we're staying tonight, the Punakaiki Treehouse. Come with me and I'll show you around. This is where we're staying for the evening. It's incredible. Park the car up. We are up here, surrounded by forest. If I knock politely. Hello.
Hello, welcome to my treehouse.
This is where we're staying. Lovely kitchen.
We'd like to go out on the patio.
at that for the view for you in the morning. We can sit out here and have something to eat. It's a long journey, sitting on the balcony with a brew and a banana and choc muffin. Look at that. Could almost roar. Well, I will. Ice cream at Pancake Rocks.
Kiwi flavour.
Gold Rush flavour. It's true. I've been pronouncing it Punakaiki.
Oh.
It's Punakaiki.
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 Because kaiki is food in Maori. Pancakes. Pancake Rocks.
This is why we've come to Punakaiki, to visit the Pancake Rocks and blowholes. This looks a fascinating place to see the rock formations, so we're going to walk around there. The only thing I can't do is that it's about a 20-minute round trip walk. Let's take a stroll. Somebody has a stunning new hat.
Oh, is that me?
Yes.
Hey.
Very nice cap.
It.
If the cap fits.
Wear it.
All the rocks are formed from limestone, and they've been shaped over millions of years to form the distinct shapes. It's completely free to visit the Pancake Rocks as well, so you can pull up, walk round and enjoy the sights. It doesn't cost a penny, and it's also worthwhile as well going to the visitor centre. Some useful information in there as well. Okay, so we've done the Pancake Rocks. Didn't make me hungry at all because we had an ice cream each. Very tasty. And now we're heading for the Truman track. And when I say Truman, I always think of the Truman Show. Don't you? I do. And we are cutting across to join it, because our accommodation is very close to it. So we're heading this way. I think we've got to go this way. The sea's at low tide, hence the reason why I've come down now. Looks gorgeous.